Imagine a stock jumping more than 10% in a single day. Is this a real swing trade opportunity or just noise? Sonata Software, a mid-cap IT stock on NSE, just did this. So, I'll be discussing the fundamental and technical analysis about the company. Sonata is a Bangalore based mid cap IT stock focused company. It focuses on cloud migration, AI solutions, and Microsoft Dynamic projects. So we can see that its ROE is very healthy at about 27.29%, and its debt to equity ratio is 0.33, way below the industry average. However, its operating margin has recently slipped to 6.79%. The market is now watching whether the new AI deals can reverse this trend. The major trigger point for this stock has been the Agent Bridge AI, which is a new platform that they have developed. Now, 14% of their order book is filled with AI projects, and they have won a multi year deal with a leading fintech client. Now, looking at the technical analysis for the company, we see that around 2025 and early 2026, the company was on a downward trend, falling from about highs of 540 and then going way beyond to the price of 205. So we are not at the bottom currently. We have bounced back. We can see that the stock's RSI is currently 55.83. Momentum is just picking and it's nowhere near overbought. That tells us there's still room for this move to continue. Now the support for the stock sits at around 253 to 260. That's the base this bounce launch from. As long as the price holds above that zone, short-term bias stays positive. Resistance sits at 300 to 320, where the stock previously consolidated before further falling down. That becomes our target zone. So our setup is simple. Hold above the support, RSI is confirming the momentum and clear resistance target ahead. So now I'll be placing a GTT order on this particular platform. I'll be not buying the stock at the current price. So I'll be creating a GTT order so that the market executes the stock at the buy at the price that I want. So I will be placing the GTT order at 265. I'll be entering at that point and I will be placing my stop loss and target price using OCO. So my stop loss would be at 245. That is just below the support zone, and the target price will be 305. So I have created a GTT order, and this particular order gives us a clean 1 to 2 risk reward ratio that is ideal for swing trade setup. So GTT basically automatically executes at the price that we want. There are no emotions involved, no watching the screen all day. That is just disciplined trading. That was a complete fundamental and technical analysis and GTT trade setup for Sonata Software. Watch that 265 support level. That's your entry signal. Stay trade safe.